Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can follow friend from Instagram, or how you can invite to your friend on other social media in Threads app. Okay, so this is really gonna show tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. Here you can see Threads app, so you have to go Threads app, then you need to click here. You can see the option bottom right corner on your screen. So I'm just going to click there. So once you click there, then you have to go here, the two line top right corner on your screen, the above profile picture. So simply click on this. So once you click on this, then you'll get the option follow and invite friends, the first option on the screen, this one. So once you click there, then here you'll get the all option how you can follow your friend and invite. So first option, follow accounts from Instagram. So once you click there, then you will see your Instagram. So in my Instagram there is no follower, or I am following, so it's empty. So and invite friends by WhatsApp. Once you click there, then you can go to WhatsApp and you send them, uh, invite them. And there are many options like SMS, email, or you can invite friends by custom app. So you can invite them through this process. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.